nabanyika iligo kwanira okwebogia chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao yomugusi
kera rituko ria Ramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yao na Mbeya Mensoko TV
na Stephen Nyarikia Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye Mensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi
yekoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko yekoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko ibyengiya yakire ngumanga bunarero
ebagoteba ngoyogose komwelio nero gose kabira maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete senikia usigetegia Nsoko TV boni go yakirenga kingo koleta nganya sai nigonda koletro murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banya sai abu astra ko batukwigira lingana sobwagale nantalia yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noboroli ntunyale ko ba tukurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liya bande bagotebanga Jumamos abande batebanga Saturday chinsa ikomire ibere chamambia uweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumulisyo ngaga n'abasomba banyesaye ntokoletere umurubiri bweleso seseni Eye Nsoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi
Karibu naendo mwanchu mwirire lye mambia yabono chida kikanisa no nisa tugere chinsa isano chiabono mambia somurubiro yigabwe rubini asensemo yende yakabire mambia yabono astrachiko soase kumurikana gukwanira amangana bwatikaine no bwene bwa siasa gose okara siasa yo bwene mambia yabono na ime studio tini nchebweka kore ninde no mugeni kurwa asensemo ye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba oyibuye kuborikero kyo bunge kurwa asensemo yo ya Kitutu Masaba mambia yabono na boyiko asensemo yende nigaro muraibe kiama kya Kenya Social Congress na kire ya mwarigania gukwani mambia yabone kerekeriwe gotoko asenkwani yaito ase mambia gabo igasense moyende na bukubwatia ayagonsi wetera senchira yomutando gwekerero Facebook rabaga sesemeria YouTube Nsoko TV namba ya mawasiliano ase jumbe yage nyingera boyego no chwa kesi minigere noti sano na ibere isano na isano na mumara gatano omwero beka isato tusange asubwame mambia yabono guchakira bono guika omwero karibu sana omweshimiwa ime Nsoko TV na kirebuya urakwani uyokorigeretie mambia yabono
Biya mono yo minto mogere. Minto mwanya getinge bwakire biya. Nkiangoro kwa tati kengere. Mubiyaro bwe Kitutu Masaba. Naendo murayo Kenya Social Congress. Biya mono soko ngarigani aiga. Egere tora konya ni birengere ryo nabantu baito bagusi n'aba Kenya kwa jumla. Yewan.
Miyamano karibu sana himia Nsoko TV mambia bona senkwani yaito kero kirwa kwanere enkwana gose ngane bwatikaine na nigoro muraibe kyama kiriya Kenya Social Congress buro muchakano kubeko borose mambia yabono amangana naragendere to kwarekane kero kuririe byama na mono buninchire mu yokwebanga bwesibo bochori bwo mwaka bwe chilefu ibere 2025 na kabire byama konye kwebanga bire kere kyama mbare bali bagendera tukurubiri obochori obugo kibakwarekana ebinyoro ime mbare bali abagendera tukwigora chobisi mbare bali bagendera tukwarigani ababwatani abange bunenchire yemo yokwebanga bwesibo bochori obonene mbare bagendera tuguchamo na korosi labda collusion hapa na pale kubwaterana elio kobwa libo elimo elio gochya konyoro bo byaso bochori bogocha ase bunenchire yemo yogochaka kurwase kyama gya Kenya Social Congress kurwase nsemo yeno yekyama nara lya yagendera tukurwaroro nabo igomero biri kimo gendera tukobeka bunenchire yemo yokwebanga
Biya mono yo minto mogere. Intubuni kiama na batebe Kenya Social Congress arame itere kiabuso tuabekire mekakati esaine tukweyaringa se bochori bogo cho mwako moya endege tangani tuabangite ngato chakwegora chi office na ko tara county chons cha Kenya lakini tukachibeka in faces chintang'ani tugachakire chia kabere kogenda paka gatho chikore igo ase mipangilio iyo ko Tarachi County tuatarire county ya Kilifi, tuatarire county ya Migori, tuatarire county ya Laikipia, tuatarire county ya Murang'a, tuatarire county ya Tharaka Nithi, tuatarire Seto Nyamira, tuatarire Kisii County, tuatarire Kajiado, tuatarire Migori, bona tubange tukaenda Kiambu. Nyasawo twanjira twanza kwigora chi office bona as another phase. Chusi ntwe igora bisiete ya twajaka na bisi ya headquarter ya Nairobi tukanyurusiro ngai tukanyira Nairobi ali Utawala tukarua tukaenda kwa bisi ya Meru ali Nkubu ntwe igora bisi ya Nyamira Nyamira town yange na Tente kogenda turi kwigora bisi ya Migori ali Kianja sorry Hispania inere mibangero ya kabere ntogente ko kurikia abantu baje kurigikura ase kiama gito country wide naende ye ineri bagarigo ile saba Kenya bonsi ondo tete kurigikura ase 1450 wards each constituency 290 each county 47 igo ondora atake ko choini kiama gito kurikero Ken Jones na areganirie ochakira keria inse pipa ke kenene igoro tundora sieka tatika keria kenene igoro nyo kwana tole nkintu bade kinkwana cheto cha ncheranka ali bakurunga mu manyete ntomine tinga ntu atibirengeri byo kupinga mwana oito tato mubwatesie asitokonyara igo ngibiro bichakero bogabana gochanse biro byo abire free none kiana kiabo getutu mazaba nyonde onde karo tagete ko ketogenda mo chucho yonde tayari akombora na ngoma certificate ewa
kero tugonya kwanira mangana yega yuko nyokwebanga bone kiama kero ukorigere kire kiama ebesa nera aliye goche yabe kuna konyo kurikero kyo murai bwense ni wogane kuro besa geto bo governor obo senator kero kirikia basubati konyo no bwe MCA obo bunge bwense amogete na kero kurire ngakinga bone yega abasae no batake koletwa ange sana na ase byama binde mbere bigera kurire lina niko batete ko Kenya beseria yokwerikia buno musayi uli oganetie kurigia bose ko uleneganga yokubolia kero gogete tinda manyakura sense moye kiama gya Kenya Social Congress engana yomusayi kubekwa mutwenga yerwekera bono iga nonya na sense meri yokwerikia
bono iga byama byonsi ipi to crown Political Parties Act 2022 revised nota kere ko both as a national governing body none socho kolgiji kura weka uruli bagase asabasai lakini wone rugengi ene ringa special interest group special interest twe gwatabasai egatwara abangina egatwara abantu babwate nchangamu yo bolema egatwara paka abantu bali marginalized to kwana segesongo so na intwe bune party twabekire makakati yokwa egroup eyo enough space bache ba kore siasa kuruse chama yaito balige biro kuruse chama yaito na ende beriki kibesa ntunduri ko chaje besa nyinge buna pati kinde kibesa cheto kire actually affordable ekiye bana bono monto ole se group eto tebesa igi okorigiro kyo wa MCA you are only paying 2500 so you can imagine na kabe member kiri puisana so e group ebune nanji kwana abantu arakane abasai abantu batobolema abangina nabali marginalized bona abantu bali myaka 80 ko chigoro ideally bali marginalized lakini abarata ko ligie kerogo moyoro lakini atabwati bintu bitokirende buna barense yabe so they'll pay 2500 igo bono akabe member ende life member because ro ko life member ni chiri kusana so aina arotubwate na biroge ebinde you information about biroge ebinde ko chakera paka igoro you can get the information kuruse website yeito ase kwende ngende ko nomination rules nomination rules na chiko batebya kerore kerogete nkyo gwakana ekerore ndogete nkyo gwakana na kwa access ye website ye patigere kscparty.or.ke nirorere kscparty.or.ke na bongo summarize because condition kine njiro kina kan summarize ngina ngamane kibesa I can summarize omondo koligyo bojumbe member of parliament is only 50,000 okoro omondo koligyo bo senator 75 omondo koligyo bo governor 100,000 that is summary of their own figure. Lakini masharti anaronga goikori kiaba member to goikori kero gutagwa member. Goikori kirutia member goche chama kiera kero goche chama gotwara ba member agocha gusindisa gochibwari. Condition jero chire gochibwati masharti makong sachino montaro bwe. Na ndi ntunturugo kubekera machiko makong na bantu bana ko ngachora kanira 200 manya ko yenda muchucho intubone bimbiyo ayogo muchucho anye kuro monto yomo yokonyore tikiti nyemore babere machiketa ko teba secret ballot secret ballot ndo waka members be chama tadi onde bwenzo ko janga kuichobwate kibande sobwate kura members be chama keneni affair ye chama ekere ko jeno ndi mwana kuri kura bono kere chama yako kirire yako ile karatasi kwa bikira makaratasi ndio kwenda kuri kura generally lakini when it comes to party nomination process aro ikobe member umanya participate to participate siasa ya party ende.
Okay.
Yes.
Unganchire ntumike kiama kia ODM gwikiraboni yamba bwate retreat endreta se county ya Mombasa na segatie nkwana bakwane terit kuregoro uyu no mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigatebe tena nonye bategete ko swaso obomana kubwaterana na serikali gusekia makirikia UDA korose serikali egocha ingana nera liachite yichibe sana ebesa nera igabune kiama kia ODM bagodai serikali yuere up to around 12 billion na kurwa sense mu kiama gya Kenya Social Congress na boy gukwanire ngane yiga asubwagale kibese kiga kiama na kicyabere kikubwatu kwekera boni ga inengu bwatu kukire kurwa sense meri ya serikali gose nemina asenge ncheka ruko kiama gyodi mbago tabana besa nere bagodai usebagale serikali ebwatu kege yo niyakoreta maboli amange na ine ne kiama kyodm gyoka gose ne byama byonsi kibesa nchirege serikali etarabwatuka kiganire gocha gusira obokorerwe byama
okumanya kuwa nako kenoko kiranje nonde ime
yebana
naende ni naende soparai bali bakora ebyama kibesi kya ODM I think kyagetigoro ikyajagete kurugitwa jagete 2013 ikiera serikali by the law ebwende ko korwa 0.3% of the audited accounts of the state to parties kitiko qualify that party chonsi go qualify a criteria go qualify enkero so that that money is supposed to be given kia go biama bikorere amagenda siasa na demokrasia ase kire kiama no ni tukanya so your congress ntore entitled to a small percentage because of to akorete bunye buna bande byakorete so ekero konyora ODM ko te 12 billion ego dai ejene chipe chitapite dispersed kuru 2013 all the way pakabono and amawea mpa aenda kotini tinda soma the ruling I think it's on the basis ye ruling ye court agos about the 12 billion but ichigo chakira 2013 nga kichigo je chibese every financial year serikali wate ku chibese ku chitereche so political parties and the political parties fund chamanya ko gaberwe bya mebi buna performance yabo yarenge in the previous elections so ngoikere nchikuru chons yaike supplementary ya chiana chwa lakini by law it says state treasury should appropriate 0.3% of the money from the audited bank accounts of that financial year to the parties so you know ya target na ina target ko rupaka cha wekeji no ni ntubono Kenya Social Congress you might find into cheto njire chirimi so once we get the ruling then we got to join bali bande ko tebanga na into chiriketo correct we entitlement toe to kodrega asirie bya me okorera so that is how it came now echine chiba sikuru state by law that 0.3% we can appropriated from the national treasury to parties na na got ebi yemi chande ya target 2013 and it affects all the parties that are qualified kwa hiyo chiba sicho in Kenya Social Congress included because all along we've been entitled to get some small percentage by virtue of nagitua performance chikura chiarete kera one of the criteria we konyo rumuntu chorire one of the criteria kwa funded we konyo rumuntu chorire so into all along to konyo rumuntu chorire into anya go itabusa including now ndo bato rumuntu chorire so the more bata mata chorire the better for that party that's why you find ODM bwate chibe chinge because ya bwata bantaba kwateke bachorire again the number of votes patia konyora by virtue nga abantu rwa present so you'll find when you are a presidential candidate chikura je presidential candidate contributes a lot what just say you That's how that money came about.
Okay.
Yes.
Engana nera iga bosibo bochori bo mwako gocha yokubaga chingongo ge siasa nokubaga okoye gusasa umuntu uri begaso ngo togote babuna zoning na nengana abange bagusira abange nigo barema mincha nengana iga yokubaga chingongo ge siasa kurwa sensemo ya gobuno muraiwe kyama kya Kenya Social Congress na riaya igorengana ya zoning erebuya goserbobe.
Zoning is killing democracy. Zoning is killing democracy. Ekiagararende kire kiama kia likiru Kenya gitete koiro burai. Nyenge koiro burai bwense gitete koiro burai somewhere at the county. So ekero ko badenga nyarebe mo beka bantu ga aboka babeke therefore means nga democracy yakoreki bone mwanye gagiri mwanye itire. To anticipate tekero the act came into place ngana endenga so nyarebe nakwate soni ya etali ya. But when it comes to coalition making oso koiwana kwe byama tujuna ona ngotenga ntukenya keso yo Congress na boera abenga nturuko ni presidential candidate ikiya to a feeling at support yo ito bono ekeraja ikirego nkoiwana na more asikin kwana kirimo ikaranziru ne byama mwiwana nga onye muitiro botega barabu bago itobote
Yeba.
Give and take eyitri zoning bono because then democracy rakwa amwiwana nga inchientigere kegingeke na aye nagotigere compensate otherwise zoning mune zoning lire okuno gutera democracy democracy ri goitwa keroko kora zoning abantu bakogenda the best candidate fanya nini wins tuarode kera moko genda muntu ri tikitiga but kago cha Kenya Social Congress yoita and I'm a living example kiani mbwata abantu bakore tugo ekero bachicha chinga bayitigiti bona gabachori without naming anybody. No nebia mabinde mbire berebo. So zoning teriko konya democracy ne ringa tigabantu bamwe bateta baraye.
Okay.
Yes.
Bura tukonye gukwana especially asabangana yega siasa na gukora siasa yobo yana nyone kurwa se byama togote iskoga igabune byama no nyena ababwatani nabo igabuna abana siasa barayibari bamukoligia ebiruge bigana bo igamure neganga yokonyora kerugogete engana nire igana asemesangirikano ya gisiasa ekonya gukorekana ebe ni kiama kiago ebe kiama gete kogenda engana nire iga ya gunism gusaba begumbara iga bagocha baretume kwama yakonyorana umusangirikano ni wochaka kore no murembe buna mukonya gusuka buna mukonya gukwana akwanyorana chiguni cyakire abantu babera attack abantu bacyakurwaniwe abantu bayiberu abande kisege ni kiburuburu cyachaka kwene kigwa igure ngane yiga ya gunism ase myaka ya makika ya rengoro na kikonyarikana asabono na liya cyakire gosoka mono nabo igo rigendere to kwene kiwa sekerengo kigoro mono
Magara diango sekero na rengi na matiangi na Ivasha. Abuguri kiabuze garengo te ando katufagie Kenya. Omoisha gane simu yane.
Kai.
Yeah, alienda na simu yangu. So gunism into na Kenya Social Congress. Nege tuta support pi. Nege tuta kwa emokono. Ekiagara inkibono gunism. Democracy integerere nituta iligoja sibintu kwende mugutano ne usikukae kando. Gunism is not helping this country. And the Gunism is supported by specific people. Bafiete ngaki ntoa mwali baga usigo tuare mileage than me. Democracy does not say that. Ayenda wani chibando chao. Nyale bete wani chingende chae. Nonde tiga wani kabichi yae. Aba na inchi bali bachi waka chikura. Mba meke decision ngo bata gitomu ya. Na bako tuara guns and still tigareka. We have seen that happen. We have seen happen in Ngusi. Monda bati kuna mnyane chigun and still tigaraka.
Yeah bana.
Tinta yone monde gera be manyite usaba kusibeto mba manyite. No nyenga nyamu manyite. Abantu bizolia kurwane abantu bande left right and center. Abantu bako bakanu kibese bacha baita abantu ba misa abantu. Na ndi finally kama tokea gocha na ndi gobuhiri. So issue ya guns we serikali bone tokonya because these are people who are bako ba captured on camera. These are people that abantu bako dinga nyale borenge we kabanta aba serikali take action. I surely a case when ke abagusi yeah ke abagusi boli abantu bagocha goita abantu kende ke abakisumu ke kiososi kabiso umuntu amete uri nyalebe kurwasigete abantu manyigane uri nyalebe abantu tokotara umuntu abwato mu yomoro tukabwato mu kwa mwake bicha kwa rere serikali yamagokira ekerere igo atoko kiara gekoro gujise serikali because ne era boni triko kolagasi yae sengira bandu bana bacha kabisa buri mate wenu musigari ocha pina endo kolegi ento na endo genda scot free like this is that must come to an end as a state. This country is more democratic. We got to call to take binte bio saliere dietarietto diense. I think unism it is squarely on the hands of the state and the minister for interior muskimur komen. Even if inta bento kora integitin kwa Matiang because when Matiang was there ekarate be meisha kuinaisha. So I think this is what we should be doing. Hii meisha. Egero kate lero mbuone mambi mbuo.
Lakini gotekana na kura sense media ekwamire serikali serikali yote bana ni numu wesimekera kigoni ekiga.
Ngibatari kubwata
kweri script yeiga elinde yogo siki sympathy elio sororerwa mabira na serikali ekagokorera bobe nandi na ekwabareta aibwe komonyene.
Thank you. Ngonyerene ninje nasimeka abantu nari akiguni. Serikali bwatete capacity kwa bwata bonsi ipi badebengengera tete jibe.
Yeba.
It has the capacity. Ense yetu ya Kenya. Omuntu akwiso bwatekana. Abantu bakumnya kuboji kame kibaroje. You get all of them. Mutena kitogenda koti ngoko tomete. Whatever. So I mean whether I plant them or not, bring them, confirm that ninje na ninje miro. Yeah. That's what we expect of the state.
Okay. Ntara kwirani asoro gongorwa gusi agukwanira mangana ara asoro gongorwa gusi no ruchikerike gendrete kuri weekend mukutana no renge ase county ya Narok ruguru gaiga wiki mugia Jubilee na abu ase gwate bana nigo mugosira ase kirukerikyo bara ibwense Dr. Fred Matiang'i nera mugosira esiminere yage tugali gwikira boniga nesimi aleteri liberera sana na gwikira bona tugukwana oyo no mo senator we county ya Nandi okurukuna na Samson Cherargei nigate tukwira muswada ase bunge area ya Senate no muswada oyo igani go bagani tiko withdraw benefits chance ip omurai oyo kabero murai yokana wensi ya Kenya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta gutanyara benefits yechugo sama ya yo asengincho yo goswanana na uchakire weswanani na siasa igo asinge essence moyende na nigaga ni rigukira taga ni rigweswanani na siasa asinge nchere bono orure abisi
ngie saria godeba every member is free to associate. So Uhuru Kenyatta is free to associate with the Jubilee. Taro. When Uhuru Kenyatta is free to associate with Jubilee, why should you stop him? That's number one. Incheri kia bunjire nga urune sheria kipengere fulani. Why did you go to the Senate? You go to court and say mefunja sheria fulani, the court will make a decision, determination.
Limo sheria eno gukwana na kuebwata ni na
siasa.
Then
they take him to court. It's not above the law. Take him to court. Say this under the constitution, you've broken this, therefore the court will make a determination. Ngarolio ikanige kwa. Lakini wane bako ira Senate ya tiangebeke ese ruge ngororo ke no buoba. No buoba inga nere ko influential siasa ya Kenya. Mwanya karo musiko president ko nga Obasanjo. Obasanjo is the president ya
Nigeria.
Is it Nigeria? Last time Obasanjo brought Raila and Ruto together in Mombasa. Is that correct? So did he break the law? Because he's the third president. But he came here and arbitrated between two leaders. Oyomo, the current president of the Republic of Kenya, no yonde oire kumupinga. Didn't he do that? He did. So inki wandata imugetia mangana na kinga Obasanjo agende soba. Inki mugori yori soba yarende. Omugako ori boye ori bintu bagende bobe utete korento morembe gose arokeria abantu baye naki iga togende. Magoso ngajali. President Uhuru Kenyatta is the third president, former head of state of this Republic of Kenya. Ogofiri for this country. He has not run away from this country. He is part and parcel of this country and Ogofiri think akange ense yaye ya belong it again buya.
Yeah.
And he's entitled to that. So to me, the senator for Nandi should do better things than he got at do better things to me. Yeah, and we are now che mheshimiwa Gachagua Mutevina ki no muura talinjara. But njetingo teba igongo inki abunali chiko. Inki abunali chiko pasa njata abunite. Abuja ko involved ne biashara bia ke. Isn't it? So mchira bunonde. That's where I come from. ingetumi mheshimiwa Cherargei tigakora ibintu bire petake bintu biri birabura binge
okay
including gotemuru komena ki torendense
okay tutaranda somo timoko omoke sichide kangibirega chia bwango gentokera oro kwikira boniga kurwa sensemeri kwa mere serikali nywane kurwa sekia magiriya Kenya Social Congress kolengana na inwe serikali ya kolerekerekia senge nchukura seme kwa mere serikali kerekemo tigekira nitigo sobo kore serikali wikira boniga kerase nigo bore marite
kintonkere kia serikali ya korire
neliri bolyo
yebon ingi ya korire kwa ala okenge aje TV anye criticize that is it
ekigyoka
wote kwambu
yebon
yintonkera kwa buri ekemo yudi ndask bintombiro ask for one
ne bingebire
ekemo ngeringa they have allowed us at least democracy to progress no nyengo ba chikoranye tachake lakini on average there is slight improvement on that one lakini bintu bindi na bora nyone si mete bono tutoro opposition atoko nyoro na magosa mange kubwa kanga muni ntokoba
abwa somura wensa goteba na asense mwe yo opposition baro na inu muri na kirenga kende yonsi kirenga kene kenene one term.
I think my head of state, because by virtue of him being head of state, I address him as head of state. Ibintu binde mbira ko kwa nang jengo sinyu ngakira rato tenga tujite class shwali ngakira tenga tutuma into kwa shwali
yebon
omna bono te ko issues chi kaine state igo bono tuma ite ndo kokora kera ngujire sinde bono achangira ne limambi when he has the time because as an opposition ibintu mbire bwenda kokoru as per the manifesto ya Jubilee, sorry, as manifesto ya UDA which have not been done. If in the opposition were in government, what would have wished Kebe? So you talk about the thing and to get class. And for a fact, Ruto knows that we went to class. Hey, for a fact, he knows that. He has the capacity to go and on a university. I was in it. Yeah, that is something. So this, let me mention a few things. Na nitaongea kwa Kiswahili. So that I don't nipate kubwatu without. Nataka kusema maneno matatu maine ambaye nafikiria hii serikali yetu inatakiwa kufanya. Kwanza, juzi baada ya chensi kuandamana, serikali ilitengeneza chopo ya kuangalia vile hawa machensis watakuwa compensated. Walipofanya hivyo, waka extend hiyo chopo iangalie mpaka 2017. Ndio waone vile watu watakuwa compensated kulingana na vile hiyo chopo itafanya nini itaona. Kulingana na sisi kama Kenya Social Congress, tungependa kuambia serikali kwamba iko vitu zingine ambazo zimekuwa hapo na sione kama zimekuwa captured. Moja yao ni wale waathiriwa wa 2007-2008 ambao walifurusha mahali walikuwa wamekaa. Serikali wakati huo na viongozi walipokuwa huko wakati huo walikubali kwamba hawa wakuwe compensated, wapewe shamba na wapewe kiasi ya fedha fulani iwasaidie. Paka saa hii all of them have not been compensated in this country. Huko kwetu walikuwa Nyamira na Kisii. Hao bado hawajapewa pesa yao. Na ni lazima hao pia kwa hiyo chopo ya kuangalia ni nani atakuwa compensated, wala ambao hawakuwa compensated waingizwe kwa orodha ndio wakuwe compensated, kwa sababu hapo ndio unakuwa fair kwa hawa. Kwa sababu hiyo ingawaje wameenda paka 2013, even 2007-2008 rais wa Kenya sahi alikuwa kwa hiyo group ambaye ilikuwa na shida na naelewa. Hiyo ndio kitu ya kwanza. Kitu ya pili, sekta ya chama cha chai sahi iko na shida. Na hiyo shida sio ya mkulima wala sio ya director. Hiyo shida imetokana na vile dunia na soko ya dunia inaenda. Sisi kama chama tungependa kuuliza serikali kwamba kwanza kulikuwa na minimum reserve price. Serikali hii ikatoa. Ilipotoa sasa fluctuation ya prices ikakuja kwa. Tungependa kupendekeza kwamba hii maneno ya chai, serikali ichukue ile chai ambaye iko Mombasa ambaye chauzwa kwa sababu ya hiyo maneno ya soko ya dunia. Ikadiri kalama, ikompensate wakulima kwa ile market price ambayo wangepata. Hii kibaki hata ikienda hasara, mkulima asienda hasara. Kwa sababu sio shida ya mkulima na mtu asiseme ni shida ya mdirector. Kwa sababu hiyo ndiyo itasaidia kurescue mkulima wa Kenya. Mwenye anafanya maneno ya chai hata ya kahawa, kwa sababu sasa kahawa hiyo stoko kwa sababu ya hiyo vile soko ya dunia iko na ile maneno watu wanaelewa. 3, kuna mswada ulipitishwa huko nyuma kwa wale wazee wanaitwa nyumba 10, wazee wa mtaa. Tulikuwa tumependekeza na tukapigana sana hawa wazee wapate something, walipe honoraria kwa ile kazi wanafanya. Hiyo mswada bado nafikiri umekwama along the line kwa bunge. So wabunge wetu na rais ako na jukumu hiyo kuambia wabunge wake na wale wa pinzani. Sisi hapa hata tunatetea mtu anaitwa village elder, nyumba 10, ile kazi wanafanya wanastahili kupewa hiyo honoraria. Hiyo tunapendekeza kwa serikali, na tafadhali kitu hiyo sheria ifuatiliwe tuone vile itakuwa. Mwisho, the economy is doing well. As an economist, at least is not badly off. Sasa nataka kuuliza serikali ya Mheshimiwa Ruto. Mafuta, bei ya mafuta imeaffect uchumi kiasi. Na serikali inachukuanga an average of 80 shillings of the 198 shillings per liter now. 80 shillings inaenda kwa serikali. Tunataka kuuliza kwa unyenyekevu kwamba wacha serikali irelinquish 40 shillings kwa mafuta, ndio wafanyi biashara wa Kenya, industries wa Kenya tununue petroli kwa 140.
Okay.
Hiyo ndio ningependekeza, na hiyo ninapendekeza kama chama ya Kenya Social Congress, kulingana na vile sisi tunaona tunataka kuinua uchumi wetu na vile tutasaidia nchi yetu.
Okay. Biamano mwanchu murigeria abuna se ensemo entangani tokandira tosanga emambia yabono gendera kubwati asabora nigo tokora asiumiri chiduka ke gona nyuma yugo subiri chiduka ntoirane na inde asensemo yende ya gata toskare ne TV yao.
Eye Nensoko TV, oboroso bumugusi. Obutindi n'obusumbasi amate ninki kere tokore.
Asama rieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna amaryogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwa ende university ongere gutumia amaruna amaryogo yogotindi amosariri wona yakireke wango guikaru aligo. Kwanya oroyo onde orenge kwa ende kanisa utigire onge akonywa amaryogo yogotindi na amaru abasari. Erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali elinde obogima bwabo bwirane gochaso obogima obi
asamange twakirisimyese namba 0706840844 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichiburyo gukora chingatare ichyobutindu.
My name is Albert Omariba. I'm the principal of Kitwebe Technical Training Institute. Kitwebe Technical Training Institute is a government institution situated in Nyamira County. We admit our students as from Standard 8 to Form 4 across all departments. Our students receive help and capitation from the government, therefore there's no worry of the fee payment. And our students pass very well in all departments, and we are able to achieve 90% pass.
Ni kweli Gitwebe Technical Training Institute ni chuo ambacho kimebobea na kinatoa mafunzo katika kiwango cha diploma, certificate na artisan katika kozi zifuatazo: Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Building and Civil Engineering, Fashion Design, Cosmetology, ICT, Business Management, Water Technology, Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy, Social Work and Community Development, Plumbing, Welding, kati ya nyinginezo.
We are having a May intake 1-1. We have 8 departments, and we have the Center of Excellence in Fashion and Design. We are actually the best in this region. This region means Nyanza and Western. So we are welcoming students who can seek admission to undertake courses and training in our various departments. So welcome to this community and learn, get the skills, and then from there you can be self-employed or you can seek for employment. Thank you.
Vile tuna short courses za computer packages na German language. Gitwebe Technical Training Institute. Skills for self-reliance. Obulimira bw'essiro y'obunda bw'ensi kulende tali nchirende onsira akrobulimi obuyoke enyolera libaga lya bene kwaegwa migirio chisemi nobosemya igiro y'obulimi bw'ekerero n'ekikolinga
ase obolemi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
Gale konyana eyinsimegete ndayangete amaraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamaraba konya kuyana nganya we kwa mabuya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
kile tsukuri ya Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamuragoba weka chinsa isato asomoro bere obolemi nobotugi ekero turesemya mange kura sabaremi cheni gongoro kwa petrol machine
asomoro bere bobolemi nobotugi ime Yensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Eye Yensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Murigeria sensemo yega ya gatatu mambia ya bono niko twatigera samangana abwatikaini no gukwanira uburayi na boigo bakorerwa serikali ya bono aiga niko ngukwira ni paka sorongo rwagusi niko turase ensemo yebunge ya kitutuma saba chiwode ni sano nemo asamangana bwatikene na leadership amona accountability ebesa nerega ya NGCDF ubo tumekibwaye na boiga sensemo yende siasa nere ya chakire kwene kiwa sorongo rwagusi karo koligeria chinsemo chibunge gete chokora nyone ne metanda okorana gia chakire korekana whereby priority ya chakire kobana nechi handout libaga main priority ose agenda enene kerengeke nene kiganira kobabuna namagendero igo ebintu bibere gaiga nechi handout na development bono ya chakire kobana nigo chi handout cheri libaga linene libaga lya magendero nebesa nelie yamo
magera ngwara kero emeritus mwaka maraga tinali konate bakamuburi umayetiri na kiwatho tiga ukuburi naki ibinde ngitabia nyona kanite binde nabia saliriense ono tiganje bono nyekwanire ekere utakabulense ibinde bio happens ekere utakabulense abantu bare gutoka mbabwate egento bakora abantu bare gutoka mbabwate ebeso muvukobo muntu abanya kumyokia muntu siasa because nabwata tako genda gusokera mambi onyo muntu ndiri arikire chinsere ngacha gutiga chikumyo kisingi 200 so obutaka na obwagire binde bi happen na butaka mbore tinda banya siasa butaka bore ntire na barayi bali patini tense yaitu onye ndiri bono serikali ro eremo eregeti ya rentire akainda siribono sitali sironga tubwate matoke tubwate echai tubwate kahawa tonyore nga yarentire akainda siribu na aribuone kemera asecha ikago yaitu ekorosiwa ase ikago yaite korosiwa. So we absorb more people, less people will be following abanyasiasa. So that is abuno emechandere mechando bari bantu bari bagutulisa bajipesa emechano ne umubuko rubusa lakini nkorwo kurate kujisa abantu baminto mbi yakuri kibese ekero umuntu akoire bese naro nyuma yaye ngokeri yakumisa ekiara onde bwensi oireji kora na kugora end result yako genda kuibera na enda cyo kugora end result ngiyo konyora kero umuntu ereji kora immediately after 1 year umuntu yako akugwithdraw korwa ase abantu baye even for a year or 2 ovora inki tabwati na ende continuity yebese yako koreki kocha kwa
ate tukanda rarari kava kwanza
ari kabe uno mwaka yomo yokabe oyoka tatu oreka na kego oyoka na ndo sira na ndo chikomenta onye ni CDF I have seen say to boge to masaba and I'm saying this going by the what the general said the Auditor General of the Republic of Kenya akata even to be understood as a report ya 2024-2025 even debio umuntu akuburi naki for example school like Orotuba secondary school ebiro bya atakoka delivered in 100 and they were not delivered the whole consignment of 100. That kind of question you'd explain umuntu akuburi inkirabia wete
mbirenga biget
the number I am not very clear but I know biget beyond
yeah
or I care so inkirabia wete ose roria ikire yago deliver ineche deliver binde. So those are the kind of things that happens. We have to have a question mark going forward. Programs. Now, because I must speak about myself and address myself to the member of parliament of Kitutu because never talk about Norway. Abandon I want to have a team because you talk about Norway. There were two TV we are realized. Say Italia. Moitunya, Saint Mary Sekergo, Tombe. We are realized. I get a baby Yavana Chester Mopir.
Yeah,
I'm sure to today Mbira achieve what was intended to be achieved. So when Mbira achieve what was intended to be achieved, then the question is Nkikiabete.
Ebe saya sogete munyakonda naro aitu emeremeyo.
Those are the kind of question I'm asking. So ekera to kurengera ligoro yokora ayo fast. Magendero baadaye inere consequence. Awate to kwa nayo inere consequence. Kolikoro kukali munda besiasia suma tebu ati mouri na tebu ati muma. Besiasia za ko munda ko ire ko kai beka ko. Lakini ko gende tebe. Kiri ndebono ya ikirikirebo. Este mubuko. Lakini kero ko ikirete iburi nga yena etwe bese. Narora matokea yake na iru. Naende ko repeat makosa iya. Na ko repeat naende. The answer is as good as your guess. Igo kaliye bese. Lakini yake sabu nga yena alire bese. Amagendero lende. Ikiare history diane ko sira ko hoteba. History is there. We have seen history. Yeah, we have seen history. University ya initially ya 200 million. Initially kere ko constituent university ya Eldoret 100 million. Then state Kapambi in some other more. So when you go to the ground, you go translate to that money. The answer is no. You go kere answer no. Then abantu ikabeboli. If the answer is no, then what next? The answer is no. What next? Igo ekero mushatenga woko na chomurage kwara rengerei. Ebe zero kali. I encourage you people kali ebe zegera. Na ninje muna wacha kwara ngocha consume pa shilingi 200 aye kona kwa ile kali tu.
Yeba.
Kiara tinkwa. Anya kero mu. Anya timbu ati binangora batenga je timbu ati. Ingemeremo imbakoregas imbwate chingu no bongaini ingemeremo. Lakini nko ebese bori na epe na angebese nje mwakire kura ose angebese ese kulitwa kwana na agenda boye kumukwana because ebe ngane bese tokure ikura ama toka tu anyarorire na yani amtoka endera kunyarora because the more tokora the more mundu tuwe koira chikura akuchiko koibera ikyo totebani umaene onye nagekera agero mundu aro ngakengere tabwati piston isano we have seen and wajo ne piston isana isatu ogenda pi mwana kamera 9 so evolving what is the progress.
Okay. Engana nere gasikera tugukwanira magana y'ikisemi ekero kerito gochigo korere mambia ya bono abange bali neganga yuko liye birugo namono asekeruge kiga kyo bunge kero yo mona bwate kerengere kia na kiara nyare go deal ne kisemi na bwe kwene kina kisemi nkuimuka chire na bwe kobekerengo kirikiga ne rikoba na bwo kuigwa bange batebana erekera ara nyore kero kyo bunge nigara chikwene kina kisemi nigo chigo chakoba free, especially as a secondary free secondary education asa semu yende kwa iguna nche nigongo chikuimukia baseria basari uno mobu oyo mani gata betena chikuimukia base kuru chili frisato ya ye basari ya base yanye kini mpaka gende chili fo merongebere na maboli ara abune ali na base na kiego chikukine ke chili fo merongebere na ande na kiego yekini limo lyoka kuru chili frisato paka chili fo merongebere ase umoro kiwa ayomo asa semu ya masomo yenki tutu masaba
omenyete a country that got manpower, particularly manpower were informed in a country desk. In Jebuna Kengere, my wish, and I've done this before and I continue doing it in my private capacity, who promote Abana Vitokorek, Asome. When I encourage them, encourage Abana Vito Sana, and I thought we Serekali, particularly Serekali County Chaito, invest more in TVETs. Na this resource sako mujumba more struggle more to get more money to the TVETs because middle managers are abolited in this country. Middle managers na the engineer economy, not policy makers. Middle managers who are informed na we engineer ya economy ye country and yons. Ora agenda bona goli kyomuntu le blamba qualified akobole asekenyoro. So we need qualified middle managers. For any country to Kosuka, it's middle managers. How you will move a CDF budget from 3,000 to 20,000, we should ask him. But if I was in the same position, I will actually categorize my pupils. Yes, I categorize my pupils. Imanyenga na I'll get hands on. Tali ngote gunonde hands on. Komanyanga omwana oyo ari tekenyorokete yaro soma sekete ulimegwa eboliga academic standard ya status ya yegerega. Two things I'll do. When you think enough money komwa I'll go to the school so mwana yaro soma I make a commitment ne principle that tozer mwana oyo it's my commitment after I disperse this money the next money we go to disperse. That's what I'll do. Indirectly, if that is how to improve it from 3,000 to 20, I don't know. But my approach, and I've been a teacher before, my approach in I would categorize my pupils. But if they're very needy, I understand them. I know as in Jirigoisana, and that man that comes, Jirigoisana. But you can manage in such a way that Abana Baseru, because that's a bottom line. You must balance between Umwana Some, or principle, ample time, kusomia abana na abalimu naye ube commitment uno mujumbe ube constituency yao ngakyo kumanija abana bao. It doesn't matter how many they are. After all, ngide tokubiara tote ngagenda po robiara toicholie mchanga bwe oroje nyasai. So as you give birth, as you think more.
Okay.
Yes, that is my focus. So I focus on middle managers who are found in the polytechnic because university no they cannot absorb everybody. Baraba to the kwa rusisiko na banya utusumbwa na buchiguru. We must absorb them and we must look for a way. And this is a call to our county governments. We must think about it. I must work with the governors and deal with our polytechnic and TVETs plus the Ministry of Education.
Okay. Biamono mwanchu morigeria ya sanga twasangire emambia ya bono ase ogokorera ekamera yago nere yiga inse ye dakika eyemo lirube gwachirega talirero litanteli ya kabere tuchi
ngala onte bintu bere because inchiro muntu korwe tutumasaba ngende ketangani ndai to appeal to the county commissioner ya Nyamira. A lot of insecurity are in our markets ya tutumasaba, and by extension I believe it's happening elsewhere. I now the story ya Kabirigo stone area bete kemera muisonde munta ulti mbori kuri nyomba And I think the county commissioner should wikaboke address these petty things. And we don't know why that should happen. Secondly, this I'm addressing to the member of parliament, Ogetutu Masaba. Chi location inchire twarosite as a sub-county ito Yamanga. Eyemo, yaringe tubagane Magombo location. Eyene tubagane Nyangene location. Eyene tubagane Sengera location. So that everywhere other administrative units, serikali bononkuru other administrative units elsewhere. Mheshimiwa Gisairo, walk out of your comfort zone, yenda baka serikali, toetie, tukobwatesi, tukora kinga kitu achagete, haitu ategerete. We need sublocation yechiche, egera abantu barikwe to increase security, because ekero kwagacha chief, you are increasing security. But okwagacha toligeti bantu bako kora mirimo ya security, then it beats the purpose.
Okay.
So that is what I would say. Finally, abantu baito bali babonyorire bande kurumaega atagire ko bwate kura kero manyore bibande abasabu chibu baito na nyumba 10 abantu bali banyore bande abana bali baito banyore bande kurumaega, assemble them, then our returning officers from the larger Gusii na Nyamira, we shall talk to them bachi paka smure batambi chibu kako banga obaweka somewhere bachi babwati we chikura ekere chikura chia eran chiri enhanced, lakini continuous inchiroro chiko koruse abisia returning officers. So sabuchibu baito abantu baito banyumba 10 kera abana baito babwatire bibande manyagi 10 babeire onye bari 10, let us know togenda tolento returning officer ne kirake yae achabalike because momanye tese ginero na njibu na kengere kurinde kero kyapo Kitutu Masaba na bonta to kubatebia na mpasa beso wanja kwaino ni opportunity imbwate birengere bibija saba Kitutu Masaba bijamano.
Okay. Biamano mwanchumo ligereria ase ukobwati enkwane yaito emambia yabona wikira bono to wikira omweri wikana ndenga kiende toranyora libaga ntogendera gukwanira ayande amange endera kubwati mirobirende yatigera serit kolima chinsa ikominingirane namoya asenchira yo wengereteriane Ishmael Mogere.
Eye Nensoko TV, Uboroso bw'umugusi.